First day was great. Like, all the training we've put together over the last 3 days has really come together.
Good first day, good sailing. We started out with 17 plus knots yesterday, and we ended the race with 7 to 8 knots, so we saw everything. Very, very long race. It was very close racing the whole way around the course with Valshida.
We had a good day on the water. Unfortunately, we didn't finish on the first position, but we were close to the J class, which is a good performance from the team.
Great community, great feeling, great vibes.